Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Couple in McDonald's Drive-Thru Ends Badly.
On August 30th, 2024, officers conducted a traffic stop in a McDonald's drive-thru over a vehicle infraction.
How are you, man?
Good.
Hey, I'm Deputy Copeland with the Sheriff's Office. You got blue lights in the back. You can't have blue in the back. You can't have blue anywhere on a bike.
I bought the bike that way.
I believe you, but that doesn't make it legal.
I got you.
Okay. I'm not going to write you a ticket for it, but I'm going to let you know. Do you have your license and insurance on you?
Yep.
Where you headed to tonight, man?
Just getting her McDonald's and then...
McDonald's running home?
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I don't live here.
Oh, you don't live here? Where you live?
Hopedale.
Hopedale, okay. You up the hog days or what?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a way to shut those blue lights off?
No, I do not.
Okay. Do you understand why we enforce the blue lights? What color are our lights?
No.
So kids see you with blue lights and they put blue lights on their vehicles and then they run around. It makes sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have ID on you too, miss?
No, I don't. I'm just a passenger.
Okay. Will you provide me your info?
No.
You don't want to provide me your info? Okay. All right, sit tight. You don't have glasses on?
Me?
Yeah.
I just...
I didn't see you with glasses on when you rolled in here, so now you do have to give me your info.
I don't have any info. And
You know your name.
I did have glasses on.
I did not see you with glasses. You'll be on my. You'll be on my. Okay, you'll be on my camera.
Okay.
Those are his.
These are mine.
Okay.
I just stuck them on
Guess
his
what?
head.
What is your last name?
Cigarette.
What's your last name?
Yeah. Supposed to have the glasses on or whatever, right? I don't know. I'm not a motorcycle guy, but you know, I'm a car guy. So, but damn, she tried to be slick, and that was it. You don't want to get an info? Okay, no problem. They always gonna find something that you ain't doing right to get that info, boy.
I don't have to give you.
If you don't give me your name, I'm going to arrest you. What is your last name?
Seriously?
Yes, I'm being serious. Provide me your last name. Your
For
first.
what reason?
Because you committed a traffic violation.
I did not. I'm not driving.
I'm not arguing with you. What is your last name?
I'm not arguing with you.
Do you want me to arrest you, or you want to give me your name? Do you have a warrant? What do you not want to give me your name for?
No, I don't. I didn't do anything.
It's not an option.
I have to give you my
It's not an option.
It is.
Do you want? I'm going to arrest you if you don't stop. Give me your. Right now, you're obstructing me, and two, because you're not giving me your name.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do. Now you do. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. I wasn't going to push the issue, but now I'm going to push the issue. So, you're a few more words away from getting arrested.
We're not going to do this.
It does not make sense to go to jail over glasses.
I didn't do anything wrong. I don't have to.
You're going to go. Listen, I'm not messing with you. Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
I'm giving you lawful order to give me your name. You're going to give me your name, or I'm going. Listen.
I do not have to.
Let me talk. Okay. I'm explaining to you. I do this every day. You do have to give me your name.
No, I don't.
I'm going to arrest you.
I am a passenger.
This is your last chance. Do you want to give me your name or not?
My name's Elizabeth.
Okay. What's your last name?
I just told you.
How do you spell it?
Elizabeth.
Middle initial.
L. You have a lighter, David.
Sit tight. Go ahead. What's your birthday? Same. Relocated to...
Married to...
Okay, so your name used to be Daly?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha. You do have a warrant. That's why you didn't want to give me your name? Get off the bike.
I don't have
Yeah,
a
you do.
warrant.
You have a warrant. Get off the bike. Stand for.
Hand me your purse.
Can you
Put your hands behind your back.
There's nothing in it.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Can you take my money?
Stop.
I did not drop
Stop.
anything.
That's math right there.
Drop it.
Come over here. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I didn't drop
You
anything.
did.
I
You
did.
stepped on it.
I did not. I'm just trying to hand you my money. David! Give my money!
Nope. You don't have what's going on right now.
I'm just trying.
You need to stop.
I'm not.
You are. You're resisting.
Oh my God.
Yeah, she wants his, him,
I
your
just
money.
want him to have my money and my purse for my kids.
Well, you can deal with all that later.
Well, that's fine.
28, leave 25 with me.
You got $9 or
There's like
$14.
$14.
$14.
Okay? chill and just stand
Yes,
here?
sir.
Spit your cigarette out. Spit your cigarette out.
Can I get my
Spit it out. Spit it out. Thank you.
Can I please get my hat?
Nope. Right now you get nothing. Okay? You don't make the rules, we do.
Put
Okay?
me in the dick.
You've lied to me from the get-go,
I
so I'm
did
not
not
going to be
lie
nice
to
to
you.
you. Yes, you did.
About what? What'd I lie about?
Asked if you had a warrant, you said no.
I didn't. I don't. I
Oh.
shouldn't have a
You
warrant.
do.
I don't.
You do.
For what? I have court next month, not this month.
You have a... Turn around. I never said turn around. Stop.
I just want to
Spread your feet out.
tell my kids, please.
Okay, right now, you need to listen, okay? You need to listen,
Yeah, you need
okay?
to stop being...
You're just adding charges. I would be a lot
How am
nicer
I
to you
adding
if you would
charges?
just be cooperative. I'd be a lot nicer, okay?
I just want to
You're
tell
already
my-
under arrest.
tell
You're
my
not...
kids.
Okay.
That's it.
You need to
That's
relax,
what-
okay? Once we get all this done, do you have anything in your pockets?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have a
Or did
female
I
that's
drop
working?
anything?
Yes, you did. It's on
No, I
camera.
didn't.
It's literally on camera.
I don't care. What's
Okay.
on camera? I didn't drop
It's
anything.
on camera.
Okay.
You don't have a female working, do you? I want to search her. Well, since she's obviously trying to hide stuff.
I
I'll call
did-
20 in.
I did not
Yeah, I'll call
try to hide anything. I didn't
10
drop
10.
anything.
Can you have 2025 here if she's available for a search?
David, will you please go back to my house and or have somebody go to the house and
I
say
imagine we
you
get.
can't beat
You
him
see
up?
this vehicle? Henry 10. Elizabeth is 1095. She did resist a little bit just for 43.
I did not resist.
Did you see?
I was just trying to.
For you motorcycle guys, let me know, is a passenger supposed to have on glasses or something? Because, you know, she was just a passenger in the beginning, but then he brought up the whole glasses incident. And then he said it's a traffic infraction or whatever. So now she has to give the name, you know, because she didn't want to give it before. So they always gonna find something. You know what I'm saying? They gonna find something to get you. And obviously, it was good work on his part because he found somebody that was wanted. So that's all good. That's all good work, man, in my eyes.
Talk to him real
What are
quick.
you talking about?
I was-
You
how
pulling
am
away
I-
from me? You were
Because
letting us cuff you?
turn around to tell
That's
him
resisting.
something.
That's not being cooperative.
I
Okay.
wasn't trying to resist. I was
Okay,
just
well, you
trying to
did.
explain something.
I had to literally put you on the hood of the car because you wouldn't be cooperative. That's
I just
resisting.
wanted to tell him something for my
Whatever.
kids.
That's fine.
I have my son is at home alone.
Okay.
I was just trying to tell him to go back to my house.
Why'd you leave your son at your house by himself?
Well, he's 15.
Saying go ahead.
I just wanted him to go back home or back to my house before he headed home.
Gotcha.
That's all.
Gotcha.
10-4 is HE20 available by chance. 10-4.
You can
Will you
search
stand here
me.
with her? I have not
nothing
searched her yet.
on
I'm going to have 20 come out. She dropped a little crystal meth right there.
I did not.
It's on camera. Stop lying. It's on
I did
camera.
not.
Okay, whatever.
Okay.
She didn't do anything apparently. She didn't have a warrant either. She told me.
I have court next month.
Okay,
I
that's
don't know how I
fine.
have a
Okay,
warrant.
hey, can you just be quiet? Stop. You have the right to remain silent. You should use it.
You have the right to not be such a dick.
I would be a
You
lot
should
nicer
use
to you
it.
if you would just Alex.
He's
Stay
been
with,
nothing but
stay with
rude
her.
since.
Okay. Alex, stay here with her because I'm gonna have to search her. I'm gonna call for 7. Hold her. She's already resisted me once. Keep an eye on her. Yes, you did.
I did not.
Okay. Not arguing with you.
I'm not arguing either.
You are. Do you have an evidence bag?
I can look in the car. He's fine with searching. You don't have anything on him or on the quality.
They're hurting my eyes. That's all.
I can check my car, see if I got that.
Okay. I'm gonna wait for a female to search her.
Okay.
Keep an eye on her hands. Hey, you want your glasses back, man, so you can ride home?
Yes, sir.
I figured you did. I'm going to get you a warning so you can get out of here. She's going with us. So I'm sorry that I'm mean, but if you would have gave me your name the first time I asked you,
Well, okay.
none of this would have happened, okay?
Didn't realize that I had to have glasses.
Well, I told you that. I told you that you did, and I told you you had to give me your name, and you refused to do that, like 25 times. Okay, I gave you like 20 chances.
I was on the back of the bike. I wasn't the one driving
In the law,
the bike.
in Illinois, you both have to have glasses on. That's the law.
And after you told me that, I gave you my name.
About 20 times later, yes. You told me that when I was about to place you under arrest, or you probably wouldn't have. Let's be real.
The woman was booked for an existing warrant and also charged with drug possession and resisting arrest.
That's good work by that cop. I'm not gonna lie. That's good work. Good work. I ain't even mad. Good stuff. He got to the bottom of the issue, figured out who she really was, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? My boy he just want to go home. You know, all this stemmed from a blue light. And he's probably right. He probably did buy the bike like that. You know, probably never noticed it or whatever the case may be. But there's little things like that, which blue light isn't really a little thing, but it turns into a whole big mess. But if you got a warrant, you might as well get it taken care of. Get it taken care of. Get it behind you. You know what I'm saying? So that way you don't have to keep living life on the run. Because any one little move, you getting booked in. So it's like you might as well just get it over with. You got to go serve a year, 2, 3 years. Just get it done. Anyway, I think this is pretty good. I think the officer did pretty good. Let me know. Is that universal where everyone has to have glasses on for the motorcycles, or is that just there? I don't know. You know, if you guys ride motorcycles, let me know, you know. But anyway, yeah, so I get officer 5 out of 5. I think he did a great job. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.